So hi guys, so this is my first video that I'm recording, and in this video I just want to introduce myself, that what I do. So basically, I'm a full stack engineer working in a company from the past 3 years, and I have experience with programming languages like PHP, JavaScript, Java, Python. I worked with a lot of programming languages during my career, and I do also have working with foreign clients. I work with like US clients, Florida clients, and Israel clients also. And guys, I just want to share my knowledge and experience with you guys, so that you can also apply that knowledge in your career and take advantage of that, so that you guys learn, and you guys can learn where to learn, how to learn, and what to learn, so that you guys can achieve your goals, get pretty good placement in your graduations. So that's all about this channel will be. And if you like the video, subscribe, comment, share, like the video. Thanks.